Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'm going to show you how to remove temporary files in Windows. Clearing temporary files can help free up space on your hard drive and improve your system's performance. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings by clicking on the gear icon. In the Settings window, select System and then click on Storage in the left sidebar. Under Storage, you will see how much space is being used on your drive. Click on Temporary Files. Windows will take a moment to scan for temporary files. Once it's done, you will see a list of files you can remove, such as temporary internet files, Windows error reporting, and delivery optimization files. Select the items you want to delete by checking the boxes next to them. If you want to remove all the temporary files, you can check all the boxes. After selecting the files, click on the Remove Files button. Windows will start deleting the selected temporary files. This process can help improve your computer's performance and free up valuable disk space, making your system run smoother. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.